Okay, not any other measurement. It must be 25. Okay, that's how you draw a hexagon. Okay, so put my compass there, draw a circle, construction line. Know this construction, then it needs to start there on the tip. Okay, or at the bottom. So I am going to need a center line here. Guys, you have to mount this on your drawing board. Just for the space that I have here, I don't use a drawing board, but I use 2 triangles. But you have to draw this on a drawing board. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a center line there. The center line is always your reference line. That's where you draw from. Okay, now I'm going to keep it on the same radius, 25. I'm going to put it at the top, mark off at the top and at the bottom. Look there. Put it. You can measure from that line or you can measure from the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to draw a bit quicker. Here's the hexagon. Okay, dis my hexagon. Daar's my 6kant, nee. Goed. Nou, die volgende ding is you can start now more than one place. I'm going to find that point there. Now they tell me this is 60 millimeters away, so you don't have to guess. Put your ruler there, measure 60. That's your center point. Now, they tell you that there's a center line that runs all the way up there. It's not a specific length, but that is going to be also 60. So I put it there, open it up on that line, and I draw for myself a long, short construction. Well, not a construction, but a center line. Okay, I have to draw that. Okay, then they tell me that this circle is R20. That means radius 20. From there to there it's 20. And and the center one is 20 wide. So that if it's 20 wide, this will be 10 and 10 and 10. Okay, so let's first do the radius 20. Kom ons trek eers die radius 20. So there's a radius 20. Okay, radius 20, daar's hy. Ek het hier 'n bietjie onakkuraat gewerk, ek gaan gou uitvee. Okay, daar's my radius 20. Lindsay, nou daai binnekant is 10, hè. So ek vat hom daar. En ek merk hom daar af. Sit hom daar so. Okay, daar's daai sirkeltjie daar. Nou sê hulle vir my ek moet 'n 45 grade lyn hê, né? Now, so I take my 45-degree triangle. I'm going to put it on my ruler. Okay. Let's do it this way. I don't have a triangle like, or a ruler like you guys have on here, so I'm just going to make a new accurate line for myself here. Okay, 45 degrees from that center point. A center line, long, short line. Okay, so that's where that line is going to integrate. Julle kan dit nou nie sien nie. You guys cannot see that clearly. I might be able to use a pencil or a pen. Let's use a pen for that line. I'm just going to do it in pen so that it's nice and clear. So there's my center line. Okay, 45 degrees. And now the next thing is the same circle you've got here. You're gonna draw there. Okay, so daar's enetjie hierso. That's why you need that center line. And now the next one is the same size as this one. Put it there. Hier is nog niks snaaks. This is just redrawing the given. Nothing difficult about this. Okay, now you need to draw this arc. Now this is very obvious. You're going to be using this center point to draw that arc, this one, and that one. No construction needed here. Sit hom daar, maak hom oop. You draw the first one. There's the first one. Okay, you draw the second one. There we go. So my een sirkel daar bo is bietjie uit. Check hom daar. Check hom daar. Okay. Take an eye again. I'll move it up a little bit that you can see better. And this one. Oh shucks. Alright. Okay. So that also is my eerste deel. There's nothing difficult about that. Okay. Let's quickly look at one other thing. On the construction here, they tell me, nou moet julle gou kyk, daai circle radius van daar tot daar, that is 20. Okay, then I need to draw another circle here, which is radius 36. Let's quickly do that. Open it up on radius 36. Teken my sirkeltjie daarso. Ek weet nie presies waar hy stop en waar hy begin nie, maar ons teken hom maar net daar, radius 36. Strek hom lekker verby hierso. Okay. Nou wat weet ek hierso? Kyk gou daar julle. Wat se tipe sirkel is daai? Sirkel, nog 'n sirkel en nog 'n sirkel. Wat is daai? Excluded of included? Hoe? Sê gou weer. What is this? I've got a circle here, circle there, circle there. That is excluded. The X reminds you of plus. What are you going to plus? Going to use that center point because that's this circle. You're going to use this center point here because that is that circle. And then you're going to find the center point for this circle, which is that one there. I'm going to say it again. This circle there, those are these two circles. The circle that is lying in between, this one, is that one there. You see it? Okay. Alright. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to add. What am I going to add? Radius 20 on the one side to that 20 there. On this side I'm going to add 20 to the 36. So this is what you need to do. So I'm going to be using this point here. I'm going to be using that point there. This is 36. That one. This one is 20. So I'm going to have to add 20 plus. What is the radius that fits in between here? It is also radius. What do they say there? That circle is radius 20. So here you're going to say 20 plus 20. This one is going to be 36 plus 20. What does that give you? 56. This side 40. Okay, so what will I do? I set my compass to radius 40. En hier moet ek baie akkuraat werk julle hoor. Okay, there we go. Radius 40, put it in the center, and I draw an arc. I draw a nice and big arc because I don't know where it is. This one is 56. Now let's quickly find 56. Put it on that center point there. Draw the arc. So now this arc here, if I draw that to the center point, this is 56. If I draw an arc from here to there, how far is that? How far is this? 40. Where do I get it from? 20 plus 20. 20 plus another 20. This one is 36 plus another 20, which gives me 56. Okay, that gives me a point there. If I now put my compass here, kyk hier so julle. Windchips. Weet julle wat's windchips? Maklik. Smelt in jou mond. So maklik is dit. Kyk hier. Okay. Nou as hy nie mooi daar uitkom nie, dan is dit nou maar net 'n akkuraatheidsprobleem. Okay, as hy nie mooi inblend daar nie, it's just 'n accuracy issue. Maar daar is hy. Sien julle hoe ek dit gekry? I don't have to guess. How do I get it? By adding. I use those two center points. Why did I use those two center points? Because that's a center point for that circle and for that circle. Now there's one more circle at the top here. Let's quickly find that one. Daar's hy. Let's quickly draw this arc and that circle. We're not going to have time for much more. Nou belangrik, this is diameter 36. That's 36 from there to there. So that is radius 18. Hoe kry ek sy middelpunt julle? Ek gaan 48 op, 48 up, and 18 from that line. So 18 in, 48 up. Kom ons kyk gou. So I'm going to take that. 48 up. There's 48. And 15 in, or 18 rather. Okay, so ek gaan vir myself hier, I'm going to do a little 2 lines there to find that point. Net 'n center lyntjie trek hier, or construction line rather. Dan vir my hierso nog 'n konstruksie lyntjie trek. Okay, so daai punt, this is the point, 48 from the bottom and 15 or 18 rather, 18 from the side, and it needs to be, this is now that circle, that needs to be radius 18. Kom ons doen gou daai. Doen hom gou vinnig. Sit my passer op 18, not 36, on radius 18. Put it there. Okay, trying not to get my hand in the way. Okay, so there's the arc here at the bottom. Okay, kom ons skryf gou neer. Hierdie sirkel het 'n radius van, how far is this? Radius 18 or diameter 36, né? Nou wil ek gou 'n ander vraag vra. Hoe groot is daai sirkeltjie daar? What is the size, the radius of this circle here? Who? That will be radius 20, correct. If you don't know, just go and measure it. So that is radius 20. Okay, I've got a question. I've got a circle here. Is it included or excluded? Kyk gou daar. Here's the one circle. There's the other circle. Is the one on the top, is that included or excluded? That circle, the radius 80 circle, is it including the orange ones or excluding? Including. Including is a minus. Okay, so wat gaan jy doen? You're going to say, what must I minus? The 80 minus the 18. And the 80 minus the 20. Okay, so here this side it's going to be 80 minus 18. This side is going to be 80 minus 20, which is of course 60. 80 minus 18, 80 minus 20 is 60. Met nog 2 by, so this will be 62. My calculation is correct. 62 millimeters. Kom ons kyk gou daar. Take my compass, passer, set it to 62. Guys, what's the worst thing that can go wrong? It can be wrong, and then you just go and have a look why it's wrong and you fix it. If it's not the one, it's the other. So if you did the wrong calculation there, you cannot remember, try the other one. If minus plus didn't work, try the minus. Okay, so I draw an arc there. Okay, now the next one is 80 minus 20, that is 60. Can you use that center point? Waar die twee mekaar ontmoet, maak 'n kolletjie, trek 'n lyntjie soontoe. Kom trek ek daai lyntjie, dan kan ek sien waar hy gaan sny. Trek ek enetjie hiernatoe. Nou wil ek gou vir julle ietsie wys. Lindsay, as jy nou kyk daar, jy sien, daai afstand is, daai radius moet wees 80, nee. Nou, wat het ek nou verkeerd gedoen? 80 minus 18 is 62. Kom ons kyk gou. Daai enetjie is uit. Wat het ek verkeerd gedoen julle? What did I do wrong here? Yeah, I put it on the top. It should be at the bottom. Okay, so that was my mistake. This must be 80 minus 18. It's still right. But the 62 must be at the bottom. Made a mistake there. So I'm just going to draw an arc here at the bottom. Excuse me, sorry about that. Okay, and the other one is going to be 80 minus 20. That's 60. Put it on that point. That's why it wasn't working out. So there's my point where the two arcs meet one another. Wat ek die ander getrek. Hierso. And so there's where the two arcs connect. Draw a line to the center there. Draw a line to the center here. Okay. Open it up now to that circle there. This should be, if I measure it accurately, this should join up, sorry, not with that one, but with a circle at the top. I want to show you something. If I draw this line all the way through, okay, then it's going to cut there at the top. If I draw this circle or this line all the way through, it's going to meet up right there. Okay, so that distance must be 80. You can see it is from that point. If it's not exactly 80, means we worked inaccurately. That one also needs to be 80. It is. Put my compass there. Open it up on to the point at the top, to the point on that side, and there's our arc. I can see that mine is slightly off on the one side, so I'm going to keep it on 80 and I'm just going to make a new arc here. It seems that my compass slightly moved. Just going to put it there. It's still 80, but now it's joining up as it should. It's just the accuracy issue there. So if you get that the circle doesn't meet up where it's supposed to, it could be that one of our circles are slightly smaller. I see that it actually was supposed to end there, so it wasn't wrong. It was supposed to end over here. So it was actually on point. Yeah, it was actually on point where it should have been. This circle was slightly out. Okay, did you guys get that method? Okay, so I think if you can do this, you can do all of them. This is how all these drawings work. What's important is find the center points of the circles. Check if it's including or excluding. And yeah, just draw all your reference points given to you.